What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video we have a sample of CO2 occupies a volume of 2.5 liters at 128 kilopascal. What pressure would the gas exert if the volume is decreased to 1.02 liters? So here we need to use Boyle's law, which is saying that at constant temperature the pressure and volume are related, which is P1 V1 equals to P2 V2 and equals to a constant number. So we can say P1 V1 is the initial pressure, initial volume, P2 V2 initial final pressure and final volume. We need to make sure that we always use the same unit. The unit has to be consistent. So here the first one was 128 kilopascal times 2.5 equals to pressure times 1.02 liters. We need to find out the final pressure. So P2 will be 128 times 2.5 divided by 1.02. 128 times 2.5 divided by 1.02. So 128 times 2.5 divided by 1.02. It is 313.7 kilopascal. So that's going to be the final pressure. As you see here, since volume decreased, pressure increased because the multiplication has to be equal to a constant number. So whenever volume decreased, pressure increased. Whenever volume increased, pressure reduced. So I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I'll get back to you as soon as I can.